Hello, my name's Peter Lloyd, and I thought I would make a series of videos. Somebody on a forum asked recently how I made my half-blind dovetails, and the answer's a bit too complicated to do by words, so I thought I would do a series of videos, short videos, on how I make the dovetails and how I use what I call, modestly, the Peter Lloyd Sliding Carriage. So first things first, let's have a look at what I've got as a router table. Here it is. It's something I made myself. It's simply made from slabs of MDF, with a slab of that's MDF on the top, covered with melamine top, and with a T-slot sunk into it. It's got lots of paraphernalia all around it, so I'm going to strip it back and get back to the bare essentials and sort of show you around the router table that I've made.